In the agency, there is no substitute for good record keeping, and that usually begins with documenting your conversations with the client. The Notes feature provides the ability to record permanent notes by client. Once you have selected the proper client, click on Notes. Then click the plus sign to add a new note. If this note is regarding a particular policy or claim, you can choose it from the drop-down. Type in your note, and when finished, you can spell check it if desired. There may be times when you wish to schedule a follow-up to the subject you are documenting. If so, you can check here to schedule a tickler and fill in the tickler details in the next screen. Our new note is now listed at the top of our Notes window, and the Created By field automatically stamped it with our username. If you are an Easy Apps user and your username did not appear here, go to the Setup, make sure you are in as an employee, then select your name from the Logged In As field. Back in Notes, while we cannot edit an existing note, we are able to append to it by first selecting the desired note, then clicking the Append icon. Type in the text you wish to append and click the Append button. Following your note, you will see your addition after a new date, time, and user stamp. When viewing your existing notes, check this box if you prefer to see your notes by policy number. The number of notes to display will allow you to either view more notes with less detail or more detail with fewer notes. Notice the scroll bars to the right allow you to see more of the existing long note or older notes listed below. The Search Notes feature allows you to enter search criteria to find some particular text in the notes history. The Print Notes icon will allow you to generate a report where you can choose this client or all clients, a date range, and give an option to choose the user who created the note. Keep in mind that the Notes feature is built to keep notes for the client conversation, and that other areas of documentation may be better suited for some forms of media. For instance, the Images section would be a more appropriate place to attach an email from a client. A description of an endorsement may be better suited as a policy note. Additionally, our T-file will automatically date and user stamp any added entries, backing up the validity of the information entered into Notes. Training your staff to integrate this important feature into their daily routine can help them better assist the client and may make all the difference when faced with an E&O claim.